The big question tonight is, will Stellina initialize at 3 degrees? I just brought her out, so she has not been sitting in the cold too long, just a couple minutes. Established Wi-Fi connectivity and started initialization. As soon as Stellina says focus correction, it gives me a sinking feeling that tonight is not the night. So we'll see what it will do at 3 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is unusually high at 78%, but it does not take much moisture in the air to get us to 78% when we are at 3 degrees. Focus correction has been underway for 2 minutes. Now it goes to new star pattern analysis. Let's see if it's going to find stars. The sky is clear. I can see stars, lots of them. We are at Bortle 4. The moon is bright, and that is my primary experiment tonight, to see if Stellina will initialize at 3 degrees and if it'll get the moon. Star pattern analysis, this is the second time that it goes for star pattern analysis. Initialization, give me autofocus please. Star pattern analysis. Initialization has been underway for 3.5 minutes. Stellina is turning around, going round and round at this point. It has turned a full 120 degrees. It was pointing east initially, now it is pointing southwest, as in it's staring straight into a building, the house. That's going to fail quickly. Stellina is completing its 360-degree turn. Now it is pointing northeast and failed. We're going to attempt one more time. I need to put a camera on Stellina. That's going to be the next project, so I can have a small window as part of the webcast that shows what Stellina is doing. Right now Stellina is closing the arm. Arm completely closed. Stellina is turning. She's pointing northeast, opening the arm. Stellina's temperature has dropped down to 8 degrees. When we started it was about 18. Yeah, focus correction is always bad news. I think I've gone from focus correction to successful initialization less than 1 in 10 times that I see the words focus correction. Successful initialization. Let me see if it's going to let me go to the Christmas cluster. It is a little bit on the low end. Will it let me go to the moon? That was my original objective. Let's see if the moon is doable. Let's see if it let us observe the moon. We're definitely putting a camera on Stellina tomorrow. It'll be nice to have a small window showing what Stellina is doing. It claims that the moon is only 56 degrees, but looking at Stellina is a lot sharper angle than that. It could be 80 degrees or so. 80 degrees, Stellina gets in trouble. You know that. And there comes the moon. Let's see how well Stellina is going to do. Not bad at all. This is stunning. This is indeed stunning. Well, congratulations, Stellina. Exceeded my expectations. It just gave me a temperature alert. It had gone well without one for a while. 3 degrees since Stellina. Let me save it in photos. I'm not gonna start autofocus. It's the moon after all. It's big enough. It can take care of itself. I'm going to leave the moon alone for a moment. I don't know that I want to focus on the moon. Attempt an autofocus. Stellina's going to be far better off attempting an autofocus on a different cluster of stars. So I'm going to leave you with the moon for a few minutes, and then I want to hop onto I'd like to hop onto the Christmas tree, but it's still a little bit too low right now. Okay, we're gonna go so long from the moon. Good night from the Rooster Inn Observatory. Let me see what else we can do tonight. I'd very much like to do the Christmas tree nebula. It is at 15 degrees. I don't know if Stellina is going to like to do that, but I'm going to go for it. For now, I'm going to stop the moon.